and Anna was exasperated. Her friend King had started yet another fad diet promoted by a celebrity and was trying to convince her to join. "This is the only diet that really works. I have lost 5 pounds already in 3 days," King exclaimed. And Anna sighed, knowing King would gain it all back soon like with the previous diets. As King raved about her new diet, Anna decided it was time for intervention. On Read the Word of Fat Diets and Gimmicks Day, people promote eating healthy, balanced meals and exercising instead of falling for unsustainable fat diets. Originating in 1992, this day brings awareness to the dangers of restrictive or bizarre diets that promise a quick fix. Instead, the focus is on developing lifelong habits for better health and fitness. Fat diets have been around for centuries, but have become more popular with celebrities promoting miracle diets. They provide temporary weight loss at best, and at worst can be dangerous or even life-threatening. Healthy experts warn against fat diets as they can disrupt a person's metabolism and relationship with food. The real solution lies in eating moderate portions of unprocessed foods and regular exercise. To observe this day, people avoid any fat diets or gimmick weight loss products. Educators provide resources of balanced nutrition and fitness tips. Discussions center around learning to choose nutritious whole foods, watching portion sizes, and making time for regular workouts. Some take this opportunity to purge pantry of any diet pills, supplements, or other products that promote unrealistic weight loss. Instead, they restore kitchens with ingredients for wholesome home-cooked meals. And Anna told King the truth about fat diets and how they would only backfire. She offered to work out with King and make some healthy meals together. King was upset at first, but knew Anna was right. They cleaned out King's pantry, throwing out all the diet pills and shakes. At the grocery store, they stocked up on fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Though the road to better health was not as easy as a celebrity crush diet, King felt motivated knowing she had Anna's support. By riddling themselves of gimmicks, they gained something more significant, each other's companionship to live a balanced life. Every Tuesday of the third Sunday in January is Read the Word of Fat Diets and Gimmicks Day. Here is our painting with all your pastas for this special day, and have a wonderful Read the Word of Fat Diets and Gimmicks Day. Cheers!